Now, meteorologist Brandon Lawson is joining me now to break down the winter weather headed our way. And Brandon, how are things looking out there tonight?
Yeah, we're already starting to see the first little bit of this system, and it's not even a little bit of a system. We've already seen some hazardous road conditions. Let's go ahead and pop up kind of what we've been looking at across our viewing area. This is actually from the Thompson Valley Fire and Rescue there towards Tazewell County. You can actually see they're plowing there on Route 16 to free a stranded motorist. I've actually seen multiple crashes already tonight just from that burst of snow that we saw. This was actually the conditions I was driving in earlier. This is from my dash cam here in Bluefield, West Virginia on Route 460 near Mercer Mall. You can see the snow-covered roads there. Not sure if it's like that now. Now, WVVAL might have already gotten to this and plowed it really good, but you can see those snow-covered roads definitely causing some hazardous conditions out there. And here's what it was. It was this warm front pushing through. Look at that heavy band of snow that pushed through. It's actually still in the viewing area tonight, just north of Lewisburg, towards 219 up towards Marlinton, as you're heading towards northern Fayette County, even in the Nicholas County there. Seeing that heavy burst of snow really push into the area, and that heavy burst again caused those roads to really get snow covered. So if you're heading home tonight, some of those VDOT crews and WVDOH crews might not have already gotten to those roads, so be very careful as you're driving. We're getting a little break from the precipitation now, but check this out, folks. Boy, a lot of precipitation and moisture is on the way as we go into tonight. This is just the start of a very complex system that we're going to be dealing with for quite some time. We already have winter storm warnings in effect for Pocahontas, Greenbrier, southeastern Fayette, southeastern Raleigh County there, Summers, Monroe, Giles, Mercer, Bland, and Wythe County, all under that winter storm warning from tonight and throughout the day on Sunday. Then winter weather advisories for northwestern Fayette, northwestern Raleigh, Wyoming, and Tazewell County. Now with those advisories, they're still going to see some sort of winter weather there, but the impacts will be just a little bit less, but they will be enough in regards to impacts where you're going to have slick travel, so just take it easy if you're under that advisory for sure. Temperatures right now mainly along and east of I-77 or below freezing, so that's definitely going to be able to see some sort of wintry precipitation there. Now we're actually going to see our temperatures warm up just a little bit here over the next couple of hours, and with that warm up in our temperatures, we're going to see different precipitation types, especially if you get those warmer air aloft. Whenever you get warm air aloft, that can really change the type of precipitation you see, from rain to freezing rain to sleet to snow, and that's what makes this forecast so difficult to really track on what we're going to see in regards to snow and sleet accumulation versus freezing rain accumulation. A lot of stuff really to worry about with this forecast. Now, mixed bag of precipitation, regardless of what you see, we're going to be seeing hazardous travel tonight and slick roads. Temperatures right around the upper 20s, low to mid 30s tonight. Again, really going to be mixing up that precipitation that we do see. Futurecast spot on with what we're seeing right now, which is good news. I love when a model is showing what's happening now, because that basically means, hey, it's on board with what's going on. So it makes me feel a little bit more confident in that model. Here we go as we go into early tomorrow morning. We're talking Sunday, 4 o'clock. Here comes the rest of that precipitation. It mainly starts as all snow, but then as our temperatures warm up just a little bit, notice how we get a little bit more of a mixing towards our far western counties. And look at this big band of snow popping up northeast of I-77 right around 7 o'clock, right when you might be getting up, getting ready for church. A little bit of freezing rain possible too along and west of I-77. That could create some really dangerous travel if we get ice in this thing. A little lull in the precipitation tomorrow afternoon. More ice builds in tomorrow night. Some snow showers Monday morning. Then that snow really builds back in Monday afternoon, Monday night. And this is what we're looking at. 5 to 8 inches towards Pembroke, Union, Hinton, Lewisburg, Raynell, Marlinton, the Greenbrier Valley. 3 to 5 inches along and west, just west of I-77. And you start getting less snowfall amounts where we see a little bit more mixing of that precipitation. Boy, pretty large system. Hopefully we can finally dry this thing out by early Tuesday. Again, we're looking at slick travel over the next couple of days. It looks like we get a little bit of a break through midweek, but we're staying pretty cold throughout the 10-day here. That's your forecast.